Hey everyone, hang out with us for just a few minutes while we show you how we made this super simple everyday wreath bow. So we're just going to go in with 3 simple neutral ribbons to make this bow. We added it onto a everyday green boxwood wreath and it turned out so cute. And this is great for not only everyday but right now where we're kind of in that in-between season between Christmas and Valentine's and spring. We're just going to be using our easy bow maker to make this bow, and we're going to start off with 15-inch tails on all of our ribbon. Our check ribbon, which is our back ribbon, is going to have a 6-inch loop, and then we're going to go down an inch as we go down with our ribbons. This style of bow can be achieved with other bow makers or even as a hand bow, but we just chose our easy bow maker because that's what we had on hand. Like we said earlier, this is a great everyday bow style and just the neutral colors. This is also great if, right now you're not quite ready for spring or Valentine's Day, or if you just prefer more neutral home decor. That's why we picked out these 3 ribbons and the boxwood wreath that we put it on because it is so great for just year-round use. So our 1.5-inch natural burlap, we ended up doing a 5-inch loop, same 15-inch tail, and we're going to go in with our ivory solid, and it's going to get a 4-inch loop. We're just going to clean up our tails by giving them a dove cut or a slant cut, however you like to do that. And now we're going to secure our bow with a zip tie or a wire, whatever you prefer. We're just going to give it a good fluff, and then this is the finished product. So we added this, you saw at the beginning, to just a plain boxwood wreath, but this would be great on a grapevine or a mesh wreath or a lantern or any kind of decor piece for your home. If you found this bow making video helpful, go ahead and give us a follow to get more tips and tricks.